Hello, people. Welcome to one of the most breathtaking and mysterious landmarks in the Caucasus, the Chronicles of Georgia. Perched high on a hill overlooking the sparkling Tbilisi Sea, this monumental complex feels like it stepped straight out of an ancient legend. Designed by the renowned Georgian sculptor Zurab Tsereteli and started in 1985, the Chronicles of Georgia stands as a towering tribute to the nation's 3,000-year history, culture, and deep Christian faith. As our drone glides smoothly above these colossal stone pillars, each one carved with intricate reliefs depicting kings, queens, saints, and pivotal moments from Georgia's past, you can't help but feel the weight of centuries. The unfinished nature of parts of the monument only adds to its raw, epic atmosphere, a living story still being told in stone. Look at these details. Warriors on horseback, biblical scenes and symbols of Georgia's resilience through invasions, golden ages and rebirth. The monument rises dramatically against the backdrop of verdant hills and the vast Tbilisi Sea, creating perfect reflections and ever-changing light throughout the day. At sunset, the golden hues transform the site into pure magic, with the stones glowing as if illuminated from within. From this vantage point, the drone reveals not just the scale, these pillars are immense, but also the harmony with nature. Below, boats sail across the reservoir, while in the distance, the modern skyline of Tbilisi blends with ancient mountains. This is more than a sculpture. It's a viewpoint where history meets the present in the most cinematic way possible. Visiting the Chronicles of Georgia is an unforgettable experience. Free to enter, you climb the grand stairs and stand among these giants, feeling small yet connected to something eternal. It's a favorite for photographers, history lovers, and anyone seeking Instagram-worthy views that actually exceed expectations. Whether you're hiking up or arriving by car, the reward is panoramic. Tbilisi Sea shimmering, distant peaks calling, and that unmistakable sense of wonder. Georgia as a whole is a treasure trove for travelers. From the vibrant streets of Tbilisi with its colorful balconies and sulfur baths, to the wine regions of Kakheti, the towering Caucasus mountains, ancient monasteries like Gergeti, and Black Sea beaches in Batumi. This country offers incredible diversity in a compact package. Delicious cuisine, world-class wines, some of the oldest in the world, warm hospitality, and safety make it a standout destination, especially for travelers from GCC countries, the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, and Oman. Georgia has become a favorite escape. With direct flights from Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and other hubs, no visa requirements for many, short flight times, and a refreshing change of scenery from deserts to lush green mountains and cool climates. It's perfect for family trips, honeymoons, or adventure getaways. Many Gulf visitors love the halal-friendly options, luxury hotels, and the ability to enjoy nature, culture, and relaxation without long-haul travel. From all around the world, tourists are discovering Georgia's magic. Europeans seeking authentic experiences, Asians drawn to the landscapes, and Americans captivated by the history and food. Whether you're planning your first trip or returning for more, the Chronicles of Georgia is a must-visit icon that captures the soul of this beautiful nation. If you enjoyed this aerial journey, like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your dream destination in Georgia? Turn on notifications for more 4K drone adventures. Safe travels, and see you in the next one. From the Caucasus with love.